Disclaimer. The videos are purely for educational purposes. The intention is to guide the students to fare well in their term examinations of their professional courses. I will not be contacting any of the subscribers or followers with messages regarding private tutoring or any money transactions. If anybody does message you, please report them and block them immediately. Professor K.M channel will not be responsible for the actions by the imposters with the same name.
Welcome to my channel. I am Professor K.M. Mahadevappa, faculty in Indira Gandhi National Open University for Mcom for the last 30 years. Today, I have taken one of the subjects of Mcom in the first semester, MCO 01, Organization Theory and Behavior. I am just giving you the syllabus of the current Mcom MCO 01 for your information. It has got 5 blocks and each block has got 3 to 4 units. And first block 1, Organization Theory, has got 3 units: Introduction to Organization, Organization Theory, Organization Structure and Effectiveness. Block 2, it is about organizational behavior and individual perspective. It has got Unit 4, Overview of Organization Behavior, 5, Individual Behavior and Learning, 6, Perception, 7, Attitudes and Values. Block 3 concerns with organizational behavior and individual perspective 2, personality and emotions, stress management, motivation, job design and job satisfaction. Block 4, group behavior, group formation and structure, communication, conflict management, team building and leadership, over and politics. Block 5, organizational culture and development. Unit 17, organizational culture and climate. Unit 18, organizational change. Unit 19, organizational development. And Unit 20, emerging trends in organization behavior. Along with this, I have chosen one of the question papers of MCO 01 of June 2011, and you are supposed to answer 5 questions, 3 hours of 180 minutes, wherein you will have an approximate 35 minutes to answer. And normally it will take 1 minute for writing 20 words, and a student will be required to answer within 7 words for 35 minutes at the rate of 20 words per minute. I am just going through the question paper. Critically examine the scientific management theory propounded by F.W. Taylor. How is individual behavior determined? Discuss the major factors influencing individual difference in behavioral pattern. 3, pre-enforcement play an important role in strengthening or weakening of the behavior. Examine this statement. How is a schedule of reinforcement helpful for manager to select a reward for enhancing the performance of his subordinates? Question 4. Personality attributes of employees are used in understanding the behavior and design suitable strategies to deal with their behavior. Discuss with the help of various personality attributes. Number 5. Describe Herzberg's 2 factors theory of motivation. Distinguish between Maslow's and Herzberg's theory of motivation. What do you mean by job design? Explain various models of job design. Then, how can you develop an organizational culture? Explain the dimensions of organizational climate. The last, write short notes on any two of the following: managing multinational organization, theory of attribution, job environment, and contingency theory. This is the question paper, and I have taken the first question, namely the critically examine the scientific management theory propounded by F.W. Taylor, and I am going to give this answer for this question in my next video. All the best. Thank you.